Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what does the red dot mean on your own Snapchat profile. For example, if you open your Snapchat and you see that red dot on your Snapchat profile, as you can see. So if I open chat here, then after that, as I click on my Snapchat profile, then that red dot has been gone. So what is that red dot means? So basically that red dot means that there is an update available for your Snapchat profile, and as you click on your Snapchat profile, that red dot disappears, which means it is about your Snapchat profile update. Moreover, if any red dot shows on your profile, that it also means that you have an unread message or an unread story, so that you have to simply see all the stories, and after that that red dot will be disappeared. So that is the all meaning of the that red dot on your Snapchat profile. Moreover, there will be also another meaning of that. You can also search them on your search engine, so you can simply know about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.